Mastering Search Engine Optimization for Affiliate Marketing Success. In the vast digital landscape, affiliate marketing has emerged as a lucrative avenue for individuals and businesses to generate income. However, with increasing competition, it is crucial to implement effective strategies to ensure your affiliate website stands out among the crowd. This is where search engine optimization plays a vital role. By optimizing your website for search engines, you can enhance your visibility, drive organic traffic, and increase conversions. In this video, we will explore the fundamental principles of search engine optimization for affiliate marketing and provide practical tips to help you achieve success. Understanding the basics of search engine optimization, the process of improving your website's visibility in search engine results pages. When it comes to affiliate marketing, search engine optimization focuses on optimizing your website to attract targeted organic traffic that is more likely to convert into sales or leads. The following elements are crucial for a successful search engine optimization strategy. Keyword research is identify relevant keywords and phrases that your target audience is likely to search for. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to find high-ranking keywords with reasonable search volumes and low competition. On-page optimization. Optimize your website's meta tags, headings, content, and URLs with the identified keywords. Ensure your content is informative, engaging, and relevant to both the users and search engines. Quality link building. Earn high-quality backlinks from reputable websites in your niche. Focus on natural link building through guest posting, content outreach, and participating in industry forums. Niche selection and targeting. Choosing the right niche is critical for affiliate marketing success, and it directly affects your search engine optimization strategy. Selecting a specific niche allows you to target a focused audience, leading to a better conversion. Conduct thorough market research to identify niches with high demand and relatively low competition. Utilize keyword research tools to analyze the search volume and competition for your chosen niche. Remember, it's better to target a smaller niche where you can establish authority in a broad market with intense competition. Building high-quality content. Creating high-quality content is essential for search engine optimization and affiliate marketing. Search engines prioritize websites with valuable and informative content. Consider the following tips for creating compelling content. Unique and engaging content. Produce original content that provides value to your audience. Focus on addressing their pain points and offering solutions. Keyword optimization. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally into your content to improve its visibility and search results. However, avoid keyword stuffing, which can lead to penalties from search engines. Multimedia integration. Enhance your content with images, infographics, and videos to make it more engaging and shareable. Mobile optimization. Mobile optimization is crucial for search engine optimization and affiliate marketing success. With the increasing use of smartphones and tablets, search engines prioritize mobile-friendly websites in their rankings. Ensure your website is responsive, loads quickly, and offers a seamless user experience across different devices. Optimize images and use responsive design to accommodate various screen sizes. Conclusion. Mastering search engine optimization is crucial for driving organic traffic and achieving success in affiliate marketing. by understanding the fundamental principles of search engine optimization, conducting thorough keyword research, targeting a specific niche, creating high-quality content, and optimizing for mobile devices, you can increase your website's visibility and attract targeted visitors. Remember, search engine optimization is an ongoing process that requires monitoring, analysis, and continuous optimization. Stay updated with the latest search engine optimization trends and algorithms to maintain a competitive edge and maximize your affiliate marketing success.